Today we're going to be doing F2L example solves for beginners. First example solve. So you see that red and blue corner is here and red and blue edge is here. All you need to do is put this in the correct spot, the corner, and you need to put the edge on the top layer. So let's first put the edge in the top layer, which is a lot more easier. L prime U away from it so you can take, doesn't come down with it again. Then you do this so you can move it up by doing R U prime R prime. Then it's out. Then you can insert it by doing back slot and rotating, like doing L U2 L prime. So you rotate, then doing R prime U R. Then you insert it. All you did was doing this, but from the back side. So then you see the corner is here and the top, so you can just do this case, which is red and green corners. So you find the other one, and this one could be it. And you check, and it is. Then you just fix them like this. L, U, L prime. Then you do a U2, then insert like this. L, U prime, L prime. Then you see that this corner is here. All you need to do is move it up. R, U, R prime. Then you can move it here to do it instead of doing F moves. And don't do R prime or L moves. If you're doing that, be aware if there's back slots already done. So then you can do here, so you can insert it. L prime, then U2, then L. Then you see it's all the way here. All you need to do is rotate, then move it, then insert. Then you can rotate for the next pair. And then you see that one corner is out on the top layer, so but in the wrong spot. So you just have to fix it by doing L prime U2, because if you do that, it's this edge is gonna come down. So do U2, then move the L. Then you can do the edges like this, rotating or doing F moves. And rotating is a lot more better option. So let's do that. Then you do R prime U R. Then do a U2 so you can insert it. Then R U R prime. The last example. So let's start. So we see that orange and green corner is here and the orange and green edge is here. So we just do L U2 L prime. Then we move, then we can insert it like that. Then we see this one, which has to be separated, so that you move the corner away. You can move this side too. Then you do L prime U prime L. Then it's out. Then you do L U2 L. Then you can take out this and insert it. Now you insert it to this spot and do R prime U prime, no U, then R prime. Then solved. Then you move by doing a U, or you can rotate and do R prime U2 R. Then you can do R prime U Then you see this case, you can do this. Rotate, then R prime, U2, R. Then I do U2, then do R prime, U prime, U, R. A cool insert I wanted to point out. So if a thing is stuck like this, you could either rotate and do it, or you can save rotation by doing R, wide R prime, then U prime, then R, then U, then M move. It's the same case on the left side. So you see it, but it's on the left. So you do L wide, then you do U, then you do R, L prime, then you do U prime, then M.